Home Remedies presents how to restore perfect eye vision with only one simple ingredient. One of the most effective natural remedies for cataracts and one that's regularly used is castor oil. Castor oil is incredibly rich in antioxidants, particularly vitamin E, vitamin C, and essential fatty acids. According to many eye care practitioners, cataracts are caused by something called oxidative stress. Oxidative stress in cataracts is built up of pro-oxidants free radicals that causes the eye lens to become cloudy with impaired vision. Antioxidants reverse oxidative stress and free radicals, which is why these nutrients are essential for reversing cataracts. Many cataract sufferers have received outstanding results from using castor oil. However, for this remedy to work and for safety reasons, you must make sure you use the right type of oil. Only ever use certified USP therapeutic grade cold pressed castor oil. Do not use any other type. How to use? To use, simply place 1 to 2 drops of USP castor oil into each corner of the eye every night before going to bed. It will take between 3 to 6 months for the cataracts to disappear and vision to be restored. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.